Hey, let me show you how to join a Cisco WebEx meeting. When it's time to join a WebEx meeting, click the button or link in the meeting invite. If this is your first time joining a WebEx meeting, you may be prompted to install the Cisco WebEx Meetings desktop app. Click the installation file. In the window that opens, enter your name and email address so everyone knows who you are, and then click Next. This information will be remembered the next time you join a meeting. Use the preview window to make sure everyone else in the meeting will be able to see and hear you. Depending on the meeting type, you can choose different ways to connect your audio and video. Select the audio connection type that you want to use. We recommend use computer audio as the quickest option. Click Test Speaker and Microphone to make sure you'll be able to hear others and they'll be able to hear you. Here you can change the speaker and microphone that you would like to use and test them to make sure they're working properly. If your computer has a camera, check your appearance in the video preview before you join. If you don't want to use your camera, click Stop Video. You can also click the mute button to mute yourself. When you're all set, click the Join Meeting button to connect to the meeting. In the meeting, your meeting controls are conveniently located at the bottom of the screen. You can mute your audio, start and stop your video, and share your screen or other content. You can also change your audio options or video options at any time. Panel controls are on the right. Open the Participants panel to see the list of all the people in the meeting. And open the Chat panel to send messages to other meeting participants. When it's time to leave, click the Leave Meeting button. Give it a try.